of a promise. You spoke of a home, but left me to drift in the deep sea alone. I was your anchor when ocean winds blew, but you were a shadow and I was the truth. But your hidden choices are drowning me. Too much of your pretending, too much of your lies. Now my soul is weeping under cloudy skies. I don't know what to do anymore. Our promise is washed up on a lonely shore. I first met your words, your promise with your true color get me deck to my heart. My feelings are wasted, but the silence between us is too heavy to hold. Your tropical warmth turned freezing and cold. You look